I am Carmen Nicholas, the principal of LaurenHill Academy, and we pride ourselves on excellence and innovation. As a beacon school in the English Montreal School Board community, we're dedicated to fostering the success of every student.
We take pride in our award-winning arts program, which includes dance, drama, music, and visual arts. Our students unleash their creativity and thrive in an environment that celebrates artistic expression.
At LaurenHill Academy, we're proud to offer 2 campuses with exceptional facilities that provide endless opportunities for growth. Our art rooms, music, dance studios, science lab, and libraries inspire creativity and learning. Plus, our newly renovated aquatics and fitness centers are just a few highlights that make LaurenHill Academy an incredible place for students to thrive.
Our diverse academic streams cater to every student's unique strengths and interests. From our 3 levels of French to our advanced math and science classes in our STEAM program, we empower our students to excel.
Sports are an integral part of the LaurenHill experience. Being a LaurenHill Lynx means understanding that victories are earned through hard work and determination. We offer an extensive range of sports, from hockey to soccer and track and field to swimming.
Being a part of the LaurenHill Academy sports community has been an incredible journey to me. As a member of the swim team, I've learned dedication, discipline, and most of all, the importance of pushing myself to my own limits.
With over 50 teams per year across both campuses, students build teamwork, discipline, and school spirit. We don't just play for ourselves, we play for the pride of our school and the support of our teammates.
Our commitment to health extends beyond the classroom. In our health classes, students develop a comprehensive understanding of their mental, social, and physical well-being. They engage in weight training, self-defense, cardiovascular training, yoga, and much more.
Our STEAM program is at the forefront of innovation, with advanced technology and makerspaces equipped with 3D printers, virtual reality systems, and robotic kits. Students explore, experiment, and bring their ideas to life.
Join us at our open house on Tuesday, September 24 at 6:45. We are looking forward to meet you there.